Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Study with Prabin sir. Today in this master series classes of profit and loss, we will solve some more new questions. So let's get started. Type 10, question number 12. I sold a pen at a profit of 15%. Had I sold it for rupees 24 more, 21% would have been gained. Find the cost price. Here, let CP is the cost price and SP is the selling price. Then according to our question, SP1, that means in the first case SP1, that is equal to 115 by 100 into CP, because there is a profit of 15%, that's why selling price 1 is equal to 115 by 100 into CP. And in the second case, that is SP2 is equal to 121 by 100 into CP, and it is given that there is a difference of 24 rupees. That means 121 CP by 100 minus 115 CP by 100, that is equal to 24. So here this implies 6 CP by 100 is equal to 24. This implies CP is equal to 24 into 100 divided by 6. 6 4 is 24. So 4 into 100. Just I am writing here. Is 100. So 4 into 100, so that is equal to 400. That means your option 2 is the right answer. So students, before going to solve next question, one thing I must tell, that if you haven't watched my previous videos, then go to the description section and watch that video by clicking the link given there. And if you want to get maximum benefit from my channel, then please watch all the videos so that you can get maximum benefit. Question number 13. I sold a book at a loss of 8%. Had I sold it for rupees 120 more, 7% would have been gained. Find the cost price. Here, now here let cost price is CP and selling price is SP. In the first case, it is given that SP1 excuse me, as there is a loss of 8%, that means SP1 is equal to 92 CP divided by 100, and SP2 is equal to, as there is a profit of 7%, so that means SP2 is equal to 107 CP divided by 100. Now there is a difference of rupees 120. That means 107 CP by 100 minus 92 CP by 100 is equal to 120. So this implies 15 CP by 100 is equal to 120. So this implies CP is equal to 120 into 100 divided by 15. So 15 8s are 120, then that is equal to 800. That means here option 2 is the right answer. So students, if you found this video helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icons to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.